Hi friends, today is a special day. Today is Earth Day. So for both of our reading strategy, our poem video, and for our read aloud today, we're going to be reading something about the earth and different things that you can do to help take care of our earth. It's very important that we all do these different things so we can take care of our earth and we can all stay healthy and keep the planet healthy. Today we're going to be practicing our poem. It's called the Earth Day Song, and this is a song, and most of the words in this poem are the same, and this song goes to the tune of Row, Row, Row Your Boat. So if you know the song Row, Row, Row Your Boat, that's great. We're going to be using that tune, the pattern, the musical pattern in it to sing this poem today. If you don't know the song Row, Row, Row Your Boat, that's okay. What I'm going to do is add another video that you can watch to practice Row, Row, Row Your Boat. And then you can watch this after. And if you don't know the tune but you still want to sing along with us, that's okay too. In this song, we're going to be using most of the same words, except for each line of the song, we're going to be changing just one word at the end of the line. So let's go first and figure out what those words are. I'll give you a little bit of a clue. This is the Earth Day song, and what the Earth Day song is going to tell us to do is save, save, save. And it's going to tell us to save something that we would normally throw in the trash can, but instead these are things that can go in the recycling bin. So let's go back now and see if we can figure out what are these different things that we should be putting in the recycling bin instead. Let's zoom in on this first word here. This is a word that we can stretch out some sounds, but I'm going to give you a couple of clues about it. In this word, A is going to say its name. It's going to have a long A sound. And in this word, E is next to what we call a bossy R. Bossy R is going to tell E to say nothing. So instead of E, we're going to hear nothing, and we're just going to hear that loud R sound. So you can stretch this word like this. P-A-P-ers. See if you can keep stretching and figure out this word. Let's do it together again. P-A-P-ers. Papers. Papers is our first thing that we can throw in the recycling bin instead of the trash can. That's one way we can help take care of our planet. Let's look at the next word. This is another item that can go in the recycling bin instead of the trash can. For this word, I would chunk it down the middle and first stretch out the beginning sound. Let's stretch the beginning part together. B-A-T, bot. Okay, we know that this word starts with bot. Let's chunk the other side and work on the other side of the word. Try to stretch these sounds on your own. Tolls. Tolls. Stick it together. Bot, tolls, bottles. Bottles is another thing that we can put in the recycling bin instead of the trash can. Now, bottles doesn't mean baby bottles. This means like glass bottles, things that something you would have drinking out of came out of, or maybe a soda bottle. That can also go in the recycling bin. All right, we have one more thing that can go in the recycling bin that we're going to figure out before we sing the song together. This is a word family word with 4 sounds that you can stretch, so go ahead and try that on your own. And let's stretch it together. Cans. Cans. Cans are things that can go in the recycling bin too. Any type of aluminum or metal can that you might have had food in, even glass jars, sometimes like cans, can go in the recycling bin instead of the trash. As long as you rinse out any food that was in the can, it's safe to go in the recycling bin, and it's something that we can do to save the earth. Let's go back up to the top, and we're going to now practice singing this together. And like I said, it's to the tune of Row, Row, Row Your Boat. So it's going to sound a little bit like this. Save, save, save your papers, throw them in the bin. We can help to save the earth. if we all pitch in. All right, do that with me this time. Save, save, save your papers, throw them in the bin. We can help to save the earth if we all pitch in. Now we're going to sing the next line just like we sang the first line, but instead of papers, this time we're going to say bottles. Let's sing it together. Save, save, save your bottles, throw them in the bin. We can help to save the earth if we all pitch in. Now the last line, we're going to sing it the same way, but instead of bottles, now we're going to say cans. Save, save, save your cans, throw them in the bin. We can help to save the earth if we all pitch in. Let's sing it one more time, all of the lines together without stopping. Let's see if we can do it. Here we go. Save, save, save your papers, throw them in the bin. We can help to save the earth if we all pitch in. Save, save, save your bottles, throw them in the bin. We can help to save the earth if we all pitch in. Save, save, save your cans, throw them in the bin. We can help to save the earth if we all pitch in. Excellent. Now this can be a fun song. You can also add your own word if you can think of something else that you could recycle instead of thrown away, and think of your own line. And this can be a fun song for you to sing when you're helping a grown-up at home pick up things around the house. You can sing the song to decide if it's something that should go in the trash can or the recycling bin.